Welcome to my OrientG tutorial series. I think this is the last part of the IK hand system. So in this area, we are going to set our weapons and the IK of each weapon. So in this area, we did the sniper IK in the last part. So in this episode, we'll talk about how to create the IK for other weapons. So we're done for the snapper, so we can remove it. Then when we put on the rifle, let's do something here. Change this to rifle. When we equip our rifle, you see that there's something different about it. That's it. Something is different about it. How do we set our rifle? To set our rifle, we need to open up the rifle blueprint, and then from the blueprint, go to the gun, browse to the skeleton, open up the skeleton, and then add a socket. Name the socket like the way you named the sniper socket, which is the left IK. So we are going to copy it, and then we are going to paste it here. Paste. So this is the left what IK, and then let's adjust it. Adjust. It should be here. And we need to rotate it, but let's check it out first. I think it needs rotation. See, we just need to adjust it a little bit, and then play. See, that's, if you watch closely, you notice that the IK is good for our weapon. So adjust. Um, so if you want it to hold this handle, this is what you can do. Take it to that handle here. Take it to this handle, and then you need to rotate it. Rotate to 90. Let's see. So reset this. Reset this. Because we did not set the rotation, we only set the location. So adjust, and then up, save. Let's check it again. So and then play. Cool. So whenever we sprint, it happens like this because we need to adjust it furthermore. Bring it out, and then test again. Okay. Yeah. See. That's for the rifle. So we need to close this down, close, close, and then for the weapon base, let's go for the AK-47, which is the next one. We have to close this also because we don't need it. And then open up the AK-47. AK-47. These are AK-47. Click and then browse to open the skeleton of the AK. Let's finish this for now. Okay. Blueprints. Add the AK-47 here. Shape. Okay. And I'm going to remove this. Then do the same thing. Add socket. Make sure the socket name is like this, which is left hand IK. Is it left hand IK? Let's check it out. Skeleton. Oh, left IK. So let's copy this. Make sure it goes with the name. And then paste, save. So after that, we have to test it. Before we test it, we need to adjust it because we know we are going to adjust it also. Okay. Save. Whoa. Now save. Okay. So let's check. There's our AK. Hit. Wow, it's out of the hand. Out of the hand. Adjust. So this is how IK works. We need to adjust. We need to adjust a little bit. Okay, let's check. That we need to adjust the Z location a little bit up. And then let's check. Wow, we need to adjust it again. Okay. And yeah, I think this is what we need. So whenever we pick our AK-47 and sprint, we'll still need adjustment for the sprinting. So we need to adjust it. We need to adjust it. Okay, sprint. Little adjustment needed. working very well. The IK system is working very well. Let's pick up our weapon again and sprint. See, this is our sprinting. So this I wanted to do for today. Thank you very much, and I also thank Gavin Chapman. He's the one that sponsored this video. Thank you very much. See you in another video.